gotta focus on yourself, on your faith, on your dreams, on your mind, on your health, yeah. You gotta work, never tell, keep your head down, find what you love and excel, yeah. Push and pull.
Every smartphone brand seriously needs to take notes from this feature OPPO just introduced. Today, we're unboxing the latest camera flagship, the OPPO Find X9 Ultra.
A quick shout out to my tech partner from China for sharing this video. A big thank you for making this possible. Hey everyone, it's Maiky from techmaiky. If you love staying updated with the latest gadgets, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss out our exciting tech content.
The color variant we have here is called Velvet Canyon, and honestly, it strikes a really nice balance. This shade of orange isn't loud or flashy, it feels refined, giving off both energy and a calm premium vibe at the same time. It's definitely a standout look for a high-end device. When you run your hand across the back, it feels smooth and flat, but there's more going on beneath the surface. There's a subtle concentric brushed pattern that catches light beautifully, creating a soft play of shadows and highlights. The OPPO logo sits neatly within this design, adding to the clean aesthetic. The camera bump is present, of course, but it's not as aggressive as what we're seeing from other brands right now. You get a total of 5 cameras here, including this smaller unit, which is the second-generation single-lens color reproduction lens. The camera module itself is built in 3 layers, the top being the lens cover, underneath that a metal ring with scale markings that gives it a real camera-like feel, and finally a glossy metal base layer. Altogether, it really resembles a professional camera setup. On the left side, you'll find a customizable button, while the right side features a signature orange shutter button inspired by Hasselblad. A quick double press instantly opens the camera, making it super convenient for snapping photos on the go. The entire design clearly pays tribute to classic Hasselblad cameras, and it genuinely feels like you're holding a dedicated photography tool. Another highlight is the inverted capsule-style lock screen. This is something I really think other brands should start adopting. It's not just visually appealing, it actually improves usability in a meaningful way. In a market where most software experiences feel the same, this kind of thoughtful innovation from OPPO really stands out. That wraps up our first look and unboxing of the OPPO Find X9 Ultra in this new color. We'll dive deeper into the camera performance after its official launch on April 21st. For now, this was just a quick look at the design and feel of this new variant. I'll catch you in the next video. Bye.